What's up, bro? What do you want, Gary? Why are you always filming? It just really is like, wow, it's just like that before. Oh my god, it's so cool. What are you playing? I'm playing, Super Mario. Oh, you know? The game? Yeah, only, what do you want? Oh, it just really is like that. Yeah. Like, wow, like that, like that. It just really is. Oh, it just really is. I just want to do something really quick. I don't know, I'm just kind of too busy. Okay. There just really is. I'm gonna take this with me. Sure, you got it. I don't need it. It's not mine anymore. Yeah, whatever. Huh. Just say anything like that. Someone just really is like that. Hey, look, what's this? What? Oh, what the? Ow. Oh, whoops. This is mine. He got a play button. Are you kidding me? And he got a trophy. This is mine. Oh, yeah. Yeah, thanks for this reward. Oh. Come here, come. Oh, it's really good. Give him. Well, you don't remember. Yeah, remember yesterday you don't even share the play button. Yeah, that's because you are silly streaming and ruin the whole celebration. Well, it's mine right now. Oh, you better. You gotta catch me. It just really is. Come back here. Here, you. Do you want to do something really quick? Come back here.